Hello everyone, my name is Leticia Cadena. I tried doing a live uh, recording on StreamYard, but it wouldn't let me. Uh, Hello and welcome to my channel. I am a reseller for Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today I'm going to have an unboxing of two mystery boxes. One not so mystery box that I bought from Mercari, which was 6 items for $28, and then a mystery box from Poshmark that cost me $15. So I'm gonna put on my glasses, and I've already looked up comps, so for each box of items that I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Mercari box. So I've already opened it. I've done, like I said, I've already did the comparable pricing. So I'm gonna show you what I got. The first item is by K-Took2, and they're these floral print leggings. They're soft, and it has like a half zip in the back, so they do zip down. I have these for $18 that I'll be listing them for. I'm going to link my Poshmark closet down below if you would like to go and check them out, and if you would like to purchase them. This is the North Face pinstripe blue and white with the drawstring pants, linen material, and I have this one for $35. And this Zara Tropalook distressed at the knee skinny jean, and it's got like has a destroyed hem on the bottom, and this one's on both legs, on both hems. Dark wash, and this is by Tropalook, and it's called Denim Wear. So this one I have at $18. And then this pretty dark blue and black print pants, skinny, by Calvin Klein, and they have the CK logo hardware in the back of the pocket. And I have this one for $18 as well. And these Aeropostale jeans, light wash, skinny, and these are the Ashley Ultra Skinny half short jeans. This one I have at $18 as well. And last in this not so mystery box, Love Fire size small, black and white, drawstring, soft and comfortable and light pants. These I have for $18. So the total on this, if they sell for full asking price, for all of those 6 items, I will gross $125. My cost of goods for each one was $2.50, which is not bad at all. Now on to the Poshmark mystery box. And this one is a blue, dark blue sweater vest, sleeveless, button down. And this one is by 21 and it's a size small. So it is, I'm gonna price it at $15. Okay, and then this blue print cami is by American Eagle Outfitters, and this one I have it listed at $12. Then this black hoodie, zip-up hoodie, I have this one at hoodie, size medium, for $15. And then these Aeropostale shorts, they're a size 2, and they're the Flex Effects high-waisted midi, light wash, distressed, folded up hem. This one I have at $12. And this is by Divided, size 4, bird print. I think it's a dress, a mini dress, or a top, tunic top, cap sleeve, and it has pockets on the sides, so it's gonna be for $15. And this Forever 21 size medium embellished black top, and that will be $12. Then this Aztec print batwing top by Forever 21, size small. Real cute. This one I have at $15. Then this gray with the bird print, size small, with the drawstring, elastic waist, pockets on the sides, folded sleeves. This one I have at, this one is by 21, $15. And then August Silk Petite petite large, royal blue, open cardigan sweater. I have that at $15. Life is Good pink or hot pink shirt, $10. And then this nighty top, sleepwear top, or you can also wear this underneath the blazer, also with a shirt that's open. It's sheer. It's got this crochet lace. That one is going to be for $12. And that completes this mystery box unboxing. Let me know what you like down in the comments down below. I will be having all these items listed maybe by tomorrow and the next day. So let's see how long it takes me to put it up. But I will link my Poshmark closet down below, so that way you can go and take first glimpse. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and have a great day, and keep your heads up high. Thank you very much. Bye.